Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss an example for NFA, how to construct an NFA. Okay, so in my previous video I have clearly explained what is a non-deterministic finite automata or NFA, its mathematical representation, and with a simple example I have given you the transition diagram and transition table. So let us see in detail how we can construct an NFA with an example. Okay, so let me just read the question. So draw an NFA to accept the strings of A's and B's ending with AB. So here they have given that the string must end with AB. So this NFA must accept all those strings, which is a combination of A's and B's that ends with AB. So if you have anything like this, if a language is there, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, like this, lot of strings, all those strings which ends with AB. That is the main concept. All the strings that ends with AB must be accepted by this NFA. So you all know about the DFA, right? How to construct a DFA. So same way itself, first we have to find out constructing NFA. Just see, check the minimum string. Minimum string means which is the minimum string that can be accepted by this NFA, okay, or DFA. Okay, so minimum string here in this question is A, B. Okay, so we are going according to this minimum string, we are going to construct the NFA. So first Q0, you will be having the starting state. Accepting the input symbol, it will go to Q1. Accepting B, it goes to the final state. So this structure you all know how to construct because already you have studied this in the DFA. So in NFA, I told you there will be more than one transition. DFA, there is only a single transition. But in the case of NFA, on accepting a single input symbol, you will be having more than one transition. So that which I am going to show you now. Okay, so in the beginning you can have any number of A's and any number of B's. So your transition will be like this, A, comma, B. See here, check whether this is an NFA. Q0 on accepting A, it's coming to Q0 itself. Q0 on accepting A, it's going to Q1. So there are two transitions here. So we have constructed this NFA. This is an NFA for the string which ends with AB. Okay, string which ends with AB. Okay, now we will just see the mathematical representation, how we can represent. So usually you know that for the non-deterministic NFA, the mathematical representation is a 5 tuple. That is, you can have Q, then sigma, delta, Q0 and F. Okay, so this Q, you know the states which is being used in your NFA. So for this example, how many states we have used? Q0, Q1, Q2. So it will be Q0, Q1 and Q2. Okay. Next, Q we have written. Now this is a sigma. Sigma is the input symbol which we are giving as an input to our NFA. So how many symbols we are using? Two symbols, A and B. Now the transition function, we will keep it there aside. We will just check it last. Q0 is the starting state. Okay. So it's Q0 itself. And which is your final state? F represents the final state. Which is the final state here? Q2. So Q2. Now we will see the transition function. Here transition function when compared to DFA, there will be a difference because in DFA there is only one transition, but here there will be more than one transition. So I will just show you how to just have that transition. So just Q0 on accepting A, there are two transitions. One is Q0 accepting A, it's going to Q0 itself. Another transition is Q0 on accepting A, it's going to Q1. So there are two transitions, right? Next, Q0 on accepting B, where it is going, it's going to Q0 itself. Okay. Next one, Q1 on accepting B, it's going to Q2. Okay, so these are the 4 transitions according to this particular NFA. This is your transition function. So this is the mathematical representation of this particular NFA. Now we have to see how we can draw the transition table for this. Okay, so the transition table is also little bit different, correct, because there will be more than one transition. So the transition table, you can just see that how many states are there? Q0, Q1 and Q2. Q2 is your final state. Now how many input symbols? A and B. Now see here, Q0 on accepting A, it is going to two states. One is Q0 and Q1. So in the transition table, we will represent it like this. Q0, Q1. Okay, together we will write it as like this. Q0, Q1. Okay, now Q0 on accepting B. Q0 on accepting B, it's going to Q0 itself. Okay, Q1 on accepting A. Whether Q1 is accepting A here? No, it is not going anywhere. So you will have to represent it as 5. Q1 on accepting B. Q1 on accepting the input symbol B, it is going to Q2. Okay, next Q2, it's not having any transition shown here for A and B. So both will be 5. Okay, so this is the transition diagram for a string that ends with AB. This is the mathematical representation and this is the transition table. Okay, now you can get a question that you will be given a string and just check whether the string is accepted by this particular NFA. So for that, I will just have a string here. Just check whether the string A, B, A, B. Okay, this is your string, whether the string is accepted by this particular NFA. Seeing the question itself, you will be able to understand that the NFA has been constructed for those with the strings that ends with AB, correct? So we will just first, once again, I will draw the transition diagram here so that it will be very clear for you how that transition, how that string will be accepted. So here A, B, okay, so this is your NFA. Now we have to check whether this string is accepted by this NFA. So according to the question, you know that all those strings that ends with AB will be accepted by this NFA. So let us see the moves, how it works, okay? And just see how this string is working inside this NFA. Okay, so your starting state will be Q0 itself. Okay, Q0, which is the first input symbol here, A, correct? So first, taking A as an input symbol, it can go to two places, correct? One is Q0, other one is Q1. Am I correct? First A, input symbol A, it goes to two places. One is to Q0 and other one is to Q1. Okay, okay, now we are finished with the first symbol. Next symbol comes B. Q0 on accepting B, where it is going? It is going to Q0 itself, correct? Here there is no transition, only one transition is there. Now, so B is over. Next is A. Q0 on accepting A, again it will be splitted into two parts, right? If it accepts A, it goes to Q0, it can go to Q1. Okay? Now, one more transition I didn't tell you. Here if we accept A is over, right? B also we need to treat this part because this is one more transition. So here if it B comes, it goes to the final state. But here check that we have taken only two strings A, B. By checking A and B, it got completed. But we have to check the entire string. But before that, it reached the final state. So we will not take this. This will not be an acceptable state. Okay, next. A, I told you here Q0 and we have come to Q1, correct? A, okay. Now, so this A, B, A is over. Next A. One more A comes. Again, there will be a split of Q0 and Q1, correct? Now, here Q1 on accepting A. Just see here Q1 whether it accepts any input symbol A. No. So it's going to 5. It is not going anywhere. So this also is not acceptable. Okay. Now just check Q0. So A, B, A is over. Okay. Now next is B. Q0 on accepting B, where it is going? It is going to Q0 itself. And here when you give B, where it goes? It goes to the final state. This is an acceptable state. Why? Because the string you see A, B, B. By that string, it has reached the final state. So this string will be accepted and this will be the moves. Okay. So first we have to take, once again I will explain to you. First we will come to the initial state Q0. It accepts A. It goes to two directions. One is Q0 and one is to Q1. Okay. Which is the next input symbol? B. So B, Q0 on accepting B, it goes to Q0. And here it was Q1. Q1 also we need to treat because it is that is also is there. Okay. That is also a different transition. So there also if B comes, Q1, when it gets B, it goes to Q2. But here you see only two symbols we have checked, only A and B. By that time it reached the final state, but we cannot consider it because we have to check the whole string. By AB only it has reached Q2. So this is not a proper transition. It will not be accepted. Now we are in here B. So B is over. Again A gets. If A comes, definitely Q0 will split into two transitions. One is to Q0 and Q1. Correct. Next, again one more A comes. Q0 and here Q0A comes, what happens? Again it will split it into two parts. Correct. Here also A comes, but it is not going anywhere. Q1 is not accepting any A. Correct. That's why I have put it as 5. Now Q0, if it accepts A, again it will go to Q0 and Q1. Okay. Q0 on accepting B, where it is going Q0. Whether this is a final state? No. So when you are considering this move, that move is not acceptable. The move which is acceptable is when it comes from like this, like this, like this. This move is acceptable as it reaches the final state and complete the entire string. So this string will be accepted by the NFA. It is accepted by NFA. So this will be the move. This will be the move. Okay. So like this they can ask, giving a string, whether the string is accepted by the NFA and draw the move. That is how that string works inside your NFA. I hope it's clear for you. Thank you.